In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add comments to tasks in Asana. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First things first, start by signing into your Asana account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the project that contains the specific task you want to work on. Asana's interface is user-friendly, so you should see a list or grid of tasks associated with that project. Now, go ahead and click on the specific task you want to comment on. When you do that, a detailed panel will open on the right side of your screen. This panel is where you access all the important information about the task, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with it. At the very bottom of the Task Details panel, you will find a text field. This is where the magic happens. Click inside this text box to begin typing your feedback or updates regarding the task. Remember, clear communication is key, so feel free to be as detailed as you'd like. As you're typing, you have some handy formatting options available. For instance, if you want to make certain text stand out, you can use bold formatting. This really helps in emphasizing crucial points. Additionally, creating bulleted lists can help in organizing your thoughts and making your comment clearer. Now, let's talk about adding a bit of personality to your comments. You can insert emojis to highlight important notes or simply to add a fun touch to your message. It's a nice way to make your feedback feel more engaging and relatable. If you need to notify specific team members about your comment, Asana allows you to do this easily. Just use the @ symbol followed by the name of the person you want to mention. This will send them a notification, ensuring they see your comment and can respond if necessary. Once you're happy with what you've written, simply press the Enter key on your keyboard. Voila! Your comment is now posted to the task. It will be visible to anyone who has access to that task, facilitating collaboration and communication among team members. To keep track of discussions, you can always check for the comment icon associated with the task. This icon allows you to see how many comments have been made, so you can stay updated on the latest discussions. Lastly, if you want to revisit previous conversations on this task, scroll to the bottom of the Details panel. Here, you'll find a complete history of all comments made, allowing you to keep informed about any decisions or updates that have come up. And that's it. You've successfully added comments to tasks in Asana. Now you can enhance collaboration with your team and ensure everyone is on the same page. Check your result now. Make sure your comments are posted and looking good. Thanks for watching today's tutorial. If you enjoyed learning how to add comments in Asana, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more helpful videos. Happy task